In this video, I'll be taking a Spark video and inserting it into a Microsoft Teams classroom space. I've already created my Spark video, so let's give it a quick preview. Minecraft, meet Adobe Aero. First build something in Minecraft and then right click on the structure block. Then adjust some X, Y. So that's our video, and we now want to share this content into Microsoft Teams. So at the top we go into Share, and we use the Publish option. When you create a Publish Share link, it will take some time to render the video content. So I've gone ahead and done that already. And underneath that, we're going to be using the Teams Share button. So I'll click on this. And this now takes us to the Share dialog window. Here I'm going to be sharing it to a channel. So I'll quickly go into Microsoft Teams and I'll show you where I want this content to appear. So I've gone ahead and I've created a Minecraft 3D models channel. I don't need to go down and click new conversation. Instead, I can go back to the dialog window, share to Microsoft Teams, and I can start typing in the name of the team or the channel. What I'll do is start typing in the name of the team, and you'll see that the three channel options appear. So over here I'll be typing 2021 07 PRO, and you can see some matches are filtering through. Class, and when I type RE, that will just give me matches that relate to this particular team. And you can see we have general, we have achievements, and we have Minecraft 3D models. So when I click on this, I've now chosen my channel to share to, and I just want to add some information underneath it. Now it's important that we don't delete the link, so I'll just press space and I'll add some further information afterwards. Now as soon as I click share, you'll be surprised to see how quickly the content appears in Teams. So I'll click the button now. Your link has been shared. I now close the window and it's already appeared here in the space. When students click on the video link, whether it be in the thumbnail area or at the top, it will take them to a web browser window, and this is where the content will load. Underneath that, we simply have the Appreciate button and other share options. And that's how easy it is to create content that is engaging and multimodal using Adobe Spark Video, and to bring it directly into Teams where your classroom conversations are.